Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Munawara Yamin from class C, and on this video I will presentation about interview report, and the title is Digital Literacy in English Language Teaching. And this is part of my final project for the speaking for academic purposes course. And let's start. The introduction is this interview was conducted as a final academic project. The goal was to explore the role of digital literacy in English language teaching, and we feel focused on how it affects students' motivation, engagement, and teacher development. The interview was an experience lecture in English education and educational technology. Okay, next is profile of the lecture. The interviewer's name is Mr. Ahyadi, MPD. He teaches ICT related course and is also a content creator who integrates AI and digital tools in education. Okay, from the interview, several important insights were revealed about the role of digital literacy in English language teaching. Here are the key findings that summarize the lecture's main points. Okay, the first key findings is digital literacy. The lecture emphasized that digital literacy is essential in modern teaching. It's not just about using devices, but also about evaluating, producing, and filtering online information. Teachers need to understand this to connect with Gen Z students. Next, the second is motivation and engagement. The use of digital media can boost students' motivation and engagement. Compared to traditional methods, digital tools create a more interactive and enjoyable learning environment. Example include educational videos and interactive apps. Okay, next, the third is infrastructure challenge. The lectures pointed out the many schools still face infrastructure issues, such as limited access to technology. He emphasizes the need for collaboration between schools and the government to provide proper facilities and training. Next, the fourth is teacher development. He stressed that teachers must continue developing their skills. This includes learning to use AI, making videos, and exploring other technologies. In our digital era, professional development is a lifelong process. And the five is digital storytelling. Digital storytelling was highlighted as a powerful tool in language teaching, through creating videos, podcasts, or social media content. Students not only improve their English but also their creative and digital communication skills. And the last key findings is the future of education. Nah, he discussed the future of digital literacy in South Asia as AI, cryptocurrency, and digital media become more common. Teachers must go beyond being passive users. They must learn to create and use technology productively. Okay, next, this gay findings lead us to several implications that are highly relevant for us as future English teachers. Okay, let's take a look at what we can learn and apply from this interview. Okay, the first implication is this interview gave us important insight for our future careers. The first is we must adapt to technological change by mastering digital tools. And the second, we must act as facilitators, helping students access and use online information creatively. And the third implication is we need to become lifelong learners, always seeking new knowledge and skills. And the fourth, we can use digital storytelling in class to help students learn English in a fun and meaningful way. And the last, we shall be aware of technological gaps and super equal access through collaboration and creativity. Okay, in conclusion, next conclusion. In conclusion, this interview highlight how essential digital literacy is for modern English teachers. It's not only about using technology, but about adapting to a digital culture, one that demands continuous learning, creativity, and collaboration. As future educators, we must embrace digital tools, guide our students wisely, and ensure no one is left behind in this transformation. The future of teaching is digital, and we must be ready for it. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching my video, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.